Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to export your game to HTML5 and then upload it on itch.io. So let's get started. So first of all, what we are going to do is go to project uh, on the top right corner, top left corner, export and presets, add HTML5. After it you can see a lot of thing here, but we have to do nothing. We have to change nothing over here. And after that, export project. And one thing I want to tell you that you have to export it in uh, the by renaming it index.html, because itch.io didn't accept any other name HTML file. So just I'm making a new folder, name it platformer, and export, save, and now in the folder, platformer folder, we can see all of our files. Now if you open this will not run, but now what we are going to do is select this folder. After that, compress this folder, and now we have a folder here. Now what we are going to do is go to your itch.io page, create a dashboard, create a new project. I'm gonna name it HTML export, uh, export tutorial. After that, just click here, and after that a short tag, a short description. We don't need to fill this. We just in the classification, select game, kind of project, downloadable. Instead of downloadable, select HTML. After that, just I'm currently doing no payments, and upload the zip file. And after that, what we have to do here is embedded option. So here I'm gonna set this manually. You can also do launch, click to launch in full screen, but I'm gonna set this manually. So for that, go to project setting, uh, scroll down over here, display windows, and here is our width size, copy, paste. Here it's height, copy, paste. After that, just small detail, just copy this a little. And after, I'm currently skipping all of this. Now I'm gonna do in the visibility restricted, and save and view the page. Whenever you are uploading your game, you have to do, instead of restricted, publish, because we have to publish the game at that moment. But currently I'm making the tutorial, so I'm not going to enter publish. Okay, so here is our page. Let's run this. and this can take a little bit of time.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, so now our game is loaded, and you can see our platformer game, and it is fully functionable. And if your game is short, because this game is kind of big, and if your game is short, it will take less time, and it will only load for the first time. Now if I refresh this page and run this, you can see how fast this load. So thank you everyone for watching this. Till then, bye bye.